Look at the goodness. Ho, 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 and happy holidays, everybody. Kevin here, coming to you live from the bunker. What's going on? First and foremost, I just want to reach out and say thank you very much to my good friend Bill Gowdy. Look at the goodness. So I want to thank you, Bill, for the SOS and everyone else who went on the search party for me. I appreciate you guys rescuing me, getting me off that deserted island. I'm not sure how many more periwinkles I could eat, but I just want to say thank you again. And all of these people right here are the folks that did VRs and were aggressively trying to find me, so I'd like to pay them a little tribute right now. I know, guys. Some of you are saying, Kevin, you're at like 3,000 something. Not so fast, guys. Some
cheap, lying, no good, rotten, four-flushing, low-life, snake-licking, dirt-eating, inbred, overstuffed, ignorant, blood-sucking, dog-kissing, brainless, dickless, hopeless, heartless, fat-ass, bug-eyed, stiff-legged, spotty-lipped, worm-headed sack of monkey
went and bought me like 1,000 subs. So thank you, but no thank you. I appreciate it a lot, guys. I really was trudging along. I don't know why somebody would do that. I was at like 1930 and I went out in the woods for an overnighter, and when I woke up in the morning on the Saturday, I had like 2,300 subs. And then I was like, wow, one of the Instagram posts I put out last night must have went viral. And then when I checked it again around noon when we were getting ready to pack up, I had like 2,900. So, and I went and looked at them. They're all phony balonies. I'll show you right here what they look like. You can see that they're all, you know, Russian or Czechoslovakian or something. I didn't get one view. I didn't get one like. I didn't get any view time from them. So it's definitely a hoax. And some people are like, Kevin, why are you complaining? You know, you just got 1,000 subs for free. Yeah, I got 1,000 subs for free. But remember, this channel is for me when I retire in like 6.5 years, for me to kind of go full blown. And unfortunately, it's kind of taken off on a life of its own. And I've been trying to corral this wild stallion. However, having more subscribers doesn't really make your channel successful. Having a subscriber push, trying to put your name out there and find other like-minded channels to subscribe to yours and vice versa, that's what it's about. So I have these 1,000 bogus subs that aren't watching videos at all. I tried to get YouTube to remove them. They won't. They don't even get back to me half the time. So it looks like I'm stuck with them, and I really don't care. Again, thank you, but no thanks. And ultimately what happens is your subscriber to view rate goes way down. And basically, you know, when you have 1,000 subs, about 200, 250 people should be watching. So when you have 100 subs, you should be getting like 25 views. So at 3,000 subs, I'm still getting the 250 views, which, because there's nobody there extra, that drives my trending rate down, and ultimately I don't show up on the recommended right-hand sign as well as I should. So that's my little bit of angst about the extra subscribers and why I would never buy them. So I'm just putting that out there, guys. I apologize because ultimately about 70 people got screwed from entering the giveaway as well, because I had to close it. I woke up one morning and, guys, I was at 2,600. With all that said, guys, let's move on. I scoured the community for all the VRs I could possibly find. It was my era. I did not say where to post them. So there was tremendous support, guys. I got over 20 VRs. There's like 170 entries in the giveaway. So I'm going to do it this Saturday. A live event to pull all the prizes, alternates included, this Saturday.
This Saturday. this Saturday.
And as for the nomadic box giveaway, I only received a dozen or so entries because that was my fault. I put it out very late, pressured everybody and put them under the gun, and ultimately the leaves were falling off faster than people could get out. Thanksgiving was coming. It was kind of a tough racket. So what I'm gonna do is on Saturday, I'm gonna give away the nomadic box as well to the people who entered that portion of the giveaway. I'm not gonna have a vote off or anything like that. Some of the foliage was actually kind of raunchy, and I apologize for that, guys. The leaves were already falling off the trees. You guys should have just sent me pictures of leafless trees at that point. So for those of you that did not see your name in the list, but you think you're in the giveaway, be sure that you followed the directions correctly at the end of Shipwrecked. You were supposed to look into the description box of Shipwrecked and find there was a giveaway video link there. Again, great tactic. Learned that from Shalisa Shell. You can check out her channel right here. And she showed us all how to do that. I apologize if you didn't get in. That was all by design to thwart off any of the gaw trolls or giveaway hawks, okay? Oh yeah, how could I forget? Nathan4071 donated an amazing prize to this giveaway. He donated a monster ferrorod and striker set, as well as a bottle opener, which he spun the handles on his lathe. Amazing work, guys. And the way I'm going to give that away is a random comment picker on the Shipwrecked video. This way, anybody who got duped by the giveaway video, I'll feel a little bit better that the Shipwrecked, which had the 1,000 views, I'm gonna give that away to somebody who left a comment on that one with the comment generator, and I'll do that on Saturday as well. So all in all, guys, this was a huge success, a lot of fun, and I appreciate you all for being good sports and participating. I wish you good luck this Saturday, noon Eastern time, live on my channel. I'll be giving away all of the prizes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you Saturday.